Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into something truly unique, something that combines innovation, freedom, and adventure all in one compact design. This is the 2026 Tricycle Camper, a small yet powerful setup that's changing the way we think about travel. This camper isn't just a regular trike with a trailer attached. It's a complete tiny home on three wheels. Designed with the modern traveler in mind, this camper brings together lightweight structure, smart engineering, and a focus on sustainability. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want to explore without the hassle of big vehicles or expensive hotels. One of the most impressive things about the 2026 Tricycle Camper is its foldable design. When you're not using it, the camper folds down into a compact unit that's easy to store or park. But when it's time to rest or relax, it quickly opens up into a cozy little cabin. It transforms into a space that lets you sleep, sit comfortably, even cook a simple meal right in the middle of nowhere. Inside the camper, everything is designed to save space and add function. There's a comfortable sleeping area, a fold-out table, and a small kitchenette that runs on solar power. That's right, solar panels on top power your lights, fan, and even charge your devices. It's a smart, eco-friendly solution for people who want to go off the grid without giving up all the essentials. The camper's sleek aerodynamic design isn't just about looks. It helps with speed, balance, and overall stability on different kinds of roads. Whether you're riding through city streets, open highways, or rougher back roads, this trike handles it all with ease. The suspension system makes the ride smoother than you'd expect, and the lightweight frame means better mileage and less strain. When it comes to safety, the 2026 model doesn't hold back. You get strong disc brakes, front and rear lights, and reflectors that keep you visible and in control, even at night or during sudden stops. Some versions even support GPS tracking, so you can always keep an eye on your camper if you're parking it somewhere. Unfamiliar. What makes this tricycle camper even more special is how it fits into a minimalist, mobile lifestyle. It's ideal for people who want to travel light but still have a personal space to call home. It's budget-friendly, low-maintenance, and highly customizable. You can modify it with storage racks, extra panels, or even paint it with your own unique look. The idea of having a tiny home that moves with you. Powered by the sun. Compact enough for small streets but comfortable enough to sleep, and that's something that speaks to the future of travel. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about how you experience every stop along the way. So if you've been dreaming about breaking away from routine, exploring more with less, and turning the open road into your backyard, this 2026 Tricycle Camper might just be what you're looking for. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. A little home on wheels that gives you freedom, comfort, and a whole lot of adventure. Thanks for watching. Take care, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.